बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज की वीडियो में हम लेक्चर ज़ूलॉजी में जनरल नॉलेज के जो सवाल आते हैं वो हल करेंगे। पहला सवाल है, डैश इज़ द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ साल्ट रेंज इन पोटोहार रीजन। तो इसका आंसर है स्केसर। नेम द फर्स्ट बिगेस्ट लायर हु announced false prophethood. Its name is Musaylima Kazzab. Hayat Javed is a biography of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. DNA is synthesized by enzymes known as DNA polymers. Change the narration. He asked, "Do I have to do it?" तो इसका आंसर है he asked if he had to do it. अगला सवाल है, which prophet was the symbol of patience? Its answer is Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam. Next question, who is the current chief minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Its answer is Mahmood Khan. Speed of line printer was measured in line per minute. I spent 20 hours to clean my garden. How long will it take if 4 people come to join me? Its answer is 5 hours. Change the narration. The father said, "If you don't work, Usman, you will fail." The father warned Usman that if he didn't work, he would fail. Largest part of the human brain is cerebrum. Binary number 110011 has a decimal value equal to 99. Universal blood donor for the ABO system are type O. Which of the following company are first to introduce mobile phone? Its answer is Motorola. Which of the following organization did Pakistan join in 1969? OIC. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह ताला आपका हामी नासर हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।